it's just because it's the car turns. When the car turns on, I use my phone for
navigational purposes.
No, well, yes, but I use it for shit. That's not.
That's a sidewalk.
So, I use it for as a dash cam. So that's why I stick it right up there.
Oh, that's
when the dash
smart.
cam starts.
As
The minute
soon as
Bluetooth
you're-
connected,
right.
dash cam starts.
And so you're protected.
And that also
in case
turns
of
on
all
Waze.
kinds of hooligans and shenanigans.
And by that you mean police officers.
Correct, because they
and
suck.
People that run into you and say that
You ran
your
into
fault.
them, right?
Yeah, so
People who jump in front of your car.
More just I got rear-ended and the guy tried to say I slammed on the brakes and I was already like at a stoplight. Shit like that. I was like, okay, well.
Let's go to video. Let's go to video. Oh my god.
That's where I want to be.
Oh my god. It's fucking gorgeous. Is it electric?
That's what I told you.
Oh
They're doing the
my
Tesla conversion.
god.
100% electric.
Fuck.
That one's got a range, I think they said about 150 miles, so.
Why does it have Hulk juice? Like, what's going on there? Is that like a coolant?
Yeah, I don't know. It has electric.
Oh my god. It's fucking beautiful.
That's right.
This is a sexy fucking... Oh, the rounded... Just
the everythings.
white wall tires kill
Everything.
me dead.
I know.
Oh, the hubcaps. The wheels. I love you. The detail in this motherfucker.
Yeah.
The bench seats are glorious. No joke, I would have done like red piping, like red leather piping. Oh. All right, so if you were gonna buy this, how much would it be?
I don't know exactly for that guy.
Like, would
I'm
it be
guessing
like,
based on what I know it would cost, because they have to buy the
Right.
VW, the shell,
and then do the whole
and then
thing?
restore the whole
Yeah.
thing. I'm guessing it's going to come in around $150.
Okay, I was thinking like 75,000. Like, okay,
Chance. No, you're looking
Okay.
at like between 1 and 150, maybe. Maybe I'll get out of it under 120.
that's like a cheap house. Like, wow. But technically, you could live in this van.
Well,
So,
again, right now where we are, of course we can't afford something like that. But, you know, a couple 5 years from now, I'm thinking. So all right, so we're getting investment. Hopefully this will finally go through tomorrow. And if not, we have other things on the table too. So we're working with the governor of Puerto Rico right now to
yes, you and your reef
for a
saving.
$20 million grant
I
for the
love you
reefs.
so much.
We probably take about $500,000 to $1 million of that as our fee, right?
Wow.
Which would be about right, because this is a winter project.
Yeah.
And we got to pay, whatever. And
Yeah.
under that fee, we're not even keeping a lot of that. That's, admin costs and stuff.
Yeah, like overhead.
Yeah. But that'd be a big one. And once we got that, that means we can start, and we demonstrate what we're doing. We can start going for grants from other countries,
Yeah.
and basically like from
Australia's got a big old reef.
True, although they've got a whole infrastructure for that.
For sure.
But like Belize does not have a full infrastructure.
Oh, Belize.
They rent that out. We could do basically all the islands down to Belize. We could do on the way down. Like there's a whole the second largest
right,
coral reef in the
right.
world, and it starts in Puerto Rico. So, we could get it fully restored, etc., etc. Hopefully, my Jeep has not been towed.
Oh no.
Yeah, I was thinking that
Really?
they might, but I doubt they'd let it go for.
Or what is it here?
It's been 24 hours. Let's see on her, but
Do you remember where you left
she's
her?
right there.
She's right there.
Mm-hmm.
Or she blows. Oh my god. Daniel, this thing is fucking beautiful. And she's so shiny. Oh my god.
But yeah, our goal is to get to the point where we're making about. Like we're not going to rest until we have about $100 million each in equity, my partner and I. That's the plan.
Wow.
So until we're worth at least $1/10 of $1 billion, he's like, I'm not retiring. And our goal is to get to that point in about 10 years.
Damn, that's a good goal.
Yeah, you know what? It's not. I'm not greedy. I don't want shit. I don't want fucking nicer. This I want, but I don't want like. you know, I don't need all
You're
the
not
fancy
Jeff
shit.
Bezos with his 37 rooms and 12 elevators.
Right. It's a little aggressive. Don't lose this.
Oh, yeah, no, I'm just going to move over. And, well, I'm going to maybe borrow
Right.
that. Is it
Yeah.
the one where it goes...
Yep,
and
goes right on
grab
in.
my phone?
And it charges electrically or wirelessly.
Wireless. Nice. So it'll work on my
But yeah, so but what I do want is to never fucking be beholden